What's up, all friends? Look is here. Today I am teach you how to draw Goku angry style. Mostly I draw the face first because it is easy to draw. Then I draw hair and then figure. It is easy to draw for all. Sorry to say my English is not good, but I try to teach you easily how to draw. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep motivated me. So look how to draw I am and how to draw color. I used Dom's color pencil because this color is very smooth for kids, everyone who draw. And I used to draw black sketch pen because at once a time I draw this drawing. If you are beginner, please don't use black sketch pen. You mostly use pencil because you made a mistake many times and you can erase your mistake. But if you use sketch pen, you don't erase your mistakes. And I use for skin tone color and shading light brown, and hair for deep yellow, and for dress used orange color.
Take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright? I'll do it.